Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Sportage headlight. First, gather your essential tools, a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. You'll also need the correct replacement headlight bulb for your specific vehicle model. Remember, wearing protective gloves is crucial to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can significantly shorten its lifespan. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the headlight. Open your vehicle's hood and locate the two 10mm bolts positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a bit snug, but a firm, steady pull will release it from its clips. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Next, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing, then pull it straight out. Carefully insert the new bulb, ensuring it's properly seated, and twist it clockwise to secure it in place. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Almost done, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all clips align. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Finally, test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.